super simple 2-ingredient workout equipment cleaner. All you're gonna need is equal parts vinegar and equal parts water. You can dump it into a spray bottle, whatever is going to work for you. This contains no alcohol, which is actually really common in some homemade workout cleaner. Alcohol, however, can actually be really harsh on the vinyl that covers the seats of the equipment, specifically on bench. The fact that vinegar is super acidic is actually the part that helps fight bacteria and things like that. And it's not going to erode the vinyl and the coverings on your workout benches and things like that. It's just a lot nicer on the material, and we all know that workout equipment is not cheap. So equal parts water, equal parts vinegar. You can make a big batch, a small batch, whatever, but mine is empty. We make this batch probably about every 6 months or so, and we just keep it in our workout room to spray off equipment with a paper towel roll. If you really wanted to get fancy, you could actually just soak a whole paper towel roll in this mixture and make your own workout wipe kind of concoction, which is definitely an option for you. We prefer not to do that. I don't know why. It's just we've tried it. We don't like it as much. We prefer the spray. So I have a 1/4 cup of vinegar in here, and then I'm just gonna dump in a 1/4 cup of water as well. I have my water here. I'm just going to dump in, this is another 1/4 cup, and just like that, you made your homemade workout equipment spray. If you really wanted to, you could drop in a couple drops of essential oil. It doesn't really seem to make too much of a difference when I do it, when I don't. And this isn't a super strong vinegar smell either. It doesn't leave our workout room stinking really bad or our home gym stinking really bad. It's something that I think it takes a little bit of getting used to, the vinegar smell, but after you use it once or twice, it's not really that big of a deal. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.